What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today I'm going to show you how to pack up your Jeep when you have a family of 4. Are you ready to go camping this weekend?
Yes!
Let's do this! So this is what we got for the Jeep so far. We definitely need to get a couple more things to get us ready, but you get the picture. So I have it separated with the diabolical. I have my tent, sleeping bag, air mattress, light, and heater, and tools down below. And of course my subwoofer. I could have taken my sub out, but it's only a day trip, so we don't really have that much stuff. Got a 50-quart cooler, the kids' stuff on the left and right, of course, and then a couple bags behind the cooler. The one thing that I'm kind of needing to change up is probably this cooler. This is a 50-quart cooler and it works fantastic, but like you can see, it takes up a lot of room. So if I got like a 25-quart cooler or something for these little weekend trips, that would probably be best, but it'll do. I mean, we got plenty of room, so not a huge deal. The one thing that really is a nice thing to have is this right here. I'm gonna pull it all the way out for you guys. You can see. All right, this right here, little camping bed that comes with a sheet for your kids. It's a little cot. I got it on Amazon. It is awesome. Super small, so I have one for my daughter and one for my son, and it makes camping so much better because they're way more comfortable. And if your kids are happy and your wife's happy, then you're gonna have a really good time out there in the woods. If they're not happy, then you're gonna be suffering and it won't really be that good of an experience. Yeah, I mean, we're all packed up, got everything that I need. You know, it's gonna be like in the 30s, so I got a little heater in there, and of course we're gonna have a good fire, camping light. I got our food, which is gonna actually be behind this. Well, not food, but the stovetop. Got that back there, and then yeah, got everything up in there. One of the last things to put in, super important right here. This is all our dryer lint. This right here is a fire starting dream. I don't have to be scavenging for little stuff out on the ground. I can just throw this on some sticks and it's gonna light the fire just fine. And it was free. It was just dryer lint. So yeah, can't beat that. Definitely a good tip for all you campers out there. All right, so that's it. We're all packed up, ready to hit the trails. It's gonna be a really, really fun weekend. If you have any questions about what I take out there or anything like that, throw that in the comment section. Check out the description of the video. Go ahead and hit that little arrow and scroll down. There's 3 pages that you need to subscribe to. Ooh, that's a big word. Subscribe. You need to subscribe to Jeep Her Adventurer, Jeep Gear and Gadgets, and JK Gear and Gadgets. Those 3 pages, as well as mine. We're gonna be having some cool videos coming out here soon, so you're gonna wanna make sure you're subscribed and check that out. Other than that, you know, I mean, it's gonna be a really fun weekend. We're looking forward to it. Yeah, I can't wait. Lastly, the last thing I'm gonna add before I cut this video. The beanie I was wearing, that is made from Barefoot Jeep Hippie. She is a 36 hours participant. She did very good. So make sure to check her out. I'm gonna throw the link in the description of the video as well. She does everything by hand, so it's really epic. I have one, my wife has one, and then we're gonna get the kids one for Christmas. Don't tell anybody. But yeah, that's it for today. Keep the adventure going.